Hey everybody, it's Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Well, hasn't been any videos in the past few days. It has been rain, 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 and today a little bit of rain. We had Saturday and Sunday were all rain, heavy rain actually at times, and then Monday was supposed to be sunny and it rained all day, and it was cold. It was really cold. It was in the 30s. It was supposed to be warmer, and I think it was supposed to be up to 48 degrees, and then they changed it, and it rained all day, and it was in the 30s. Tuesday, rained all day. It was in the 30s. It was really, really rough, and with all the stuff going around, which I can't say, out in the world, I am being very careful with my immune system. So I'm not running around in the freezing rain, working outside. I just don't think it's wise. I mean, some of you guys just don't care and will just do it, but I don't think it's wise. So we worked inside the houses, cleaned up a little bit in both houses, organizing, sorting. I sorted a lot of my survival gear, and I'm finally finding a home for it since we moved here to Michigan. In the 3 years we've been here, my survival gear has been in plastic totes, the plastic storage containers. In New York, I had the survival camper, and I loved it, but we got rid of that when we came here. We couldn't bring it with us, so we got rid of it. And so I'm finally stowing that away and working on our store. Now that is something that's going continuous. We're not getting rich from it, but we're paying our bills. The people are buying stuff from us online, so we're definitely shipping a lot of stuff. I don't know if I went Monday, I can't remember. All my days are blended together because it was rain for 5 days. Even this morning rained some. And I don't remember Monday. Tuesday, I went out and I dropped off 3 packages. Had to be shipped out. Got back and there were 3 more sales. So we went and shipped out 3 more packages today. Now today was interesting. Today was on the road all day. We had 3 more sales from online, and Melanie had 3 sales that we had to deliver. And we haven't had any deliveries in well over a month since the scare's been going on. And so since we were going to be out anyway, we said, okay, we'll make the runs. I had to drop the packages off to the UPS pickoff point, and then while we were in town, we found a food bank free-for-all. Like, I saw a pickup truck come out loaded to the top with food, with groceries, fresh foods, fruits and vegetables, canned foods, cereal, milk, and everything. Like, literally, if you had got there early, you wouldn't have had to go shopping again for a month. That's what they were loading up with. But sadly, they were allowing people to say how many families they wanted to pick up for. So by the time we got through the line, there wasn't much left. And it's sad. I don't think that it should have been like that. You should have been only allowed to get for your immediate family and not be able to say, oh, I've got 6 families or something. Because there were trucks loading up in the beginning. And I just don't think that's right. I don't think it should be done like that. But it is what it is. We got some stuff. It's helpful, very beneficial, because we were running low on fresh fruits and vegetables. We needed them. That's something you can't stock up on. You can can foods, but it's still not the same. So that was good, and spontaneous. We didn't know it was there. And we delivered our packages. I got gas today, and I took some extra gas cans in since we were going to be there anyway. $1.25 a gallon. Now, I don't know about you guys out there, but $1.25 a gallon I haven't seen since I was in high school. or since I graduated. Like the late 80s, maybe early 90s is the last time I ever saw gas for $1.25 a gallon myself. Um, I left for the military in the mid 90s, so whatever happened after that over here, I don't know. I wasn't here for it. But that was incredible. And I kept the receipt. I'm like, wow, I'm keeping this receipt because that was just crazy to see that. By the way, the food, you open up your back of your vehicle and they put it in for you. They all had masks and gloves, and you go out before you get in line, you open up the back, and you get back in your car. I had the window just open enough to speak through, and they come up with masks and ask you how many families. Anyway, it was all safe and fully protected. So, we're happy we got something. It saved us from trying to figure out how we were going to go shopping. By the way, a suggestion we had come up with an idea. When we do order fresh fruits and vegetables, it's an hour away from our home, one way, to get to the Walmart. And I don't like going in there right now with all these people everywhere. They're not stopping. They are not staying home. They're everywhere. And I think that's insane. There's way, 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 way too many people out there right now. Just milling about. It's insane. And so I don't feel comfortable going in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to go online. Now I don't know if your Walmart does it, but we're going to buy all of our groceries online, sitting in our house. Okay? Then we drive there. We set up a delivery date or a pickup date. We drive there, and there's a special parking area designated for pickups. And then they'll bring it out to your vehicle while you wait. And that's what we're going to do. I don't know if I'll have them loaded in my car for me, depending on what we buy, but when we need more milk or vegetables and stuff, that's how we're going to do it. We're running out of vitamins. That's something I forgot. I'm a prepper, but I goof. I made a mistake. So we're running low on vitamins. But when we do it, that's the best way to do it. It's awesome. Let them bring it to your car and then drive off and go home. And I like that a lot. So they went up a couple notches in my book because of that alone, and that's where we're going to shop if and when we need to. So anyway, that's pretty much a summary of the last 4 days out here at the Off-Grid Homestead, staying home as much as we can. But when you've got an online store and you've got to drop off packages, it is what it is. The post office will come here, and I can leave it out by the driveway, and they can pick it up. But UPS, I have to take it in, or they charge crazy expensive fees. Now, I'm not paying that when all I got to do is drive 7 miles and drop it off. So I'm not paying those fees. So anyway, there's a lot of in-house work, online work, store work, inventory work, sorting the store, things that we can do indoors. I'm working on getting my electronics lab set up, but that's on my the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics channel. I'm working on a motor scooter that I'm going to use and run around and save gas, save costs by using an electric motor scooter, or electric scooter I should say, using the 18650 flashlight battery. So I'm getting the materials around for that, so check out the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. And my main channel, of course, daily videos of whatever we're doing here at the homestead. So, well, I'll get back to normal updates again. The weather should be better and clearing up, and we'll see what comes here staying at the homestead. This is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Please like, subscribe, and share, and see what comes tomorrow. Talk to you later.